in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down question on a Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up your form and select the little circle with a plus in it that says Add Question. And then this point over here on the right side next to the little rectangle box that we were on before, click this drop-down and you want to select the drop-down option. And then you can input multiple options and then type in whatever you want. You can type in the question, and then that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.